What is that? What are we looking at?
That is a Traditions 50 caliber model of a Napoleon Civil War cannon, made in Spain. Alright, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, Christmas morning. If neighbors are not awake, they're about to be.
If they haven't started Christmas yet, it's about damn time they did, right?
Yeah, this is the first firing, so we don't know if it's going to be a good boom or not. But it's a blank load, no cannonballs.
You packed it and everything?
It's packed, ready to go.
That was good.
Not bad. The dogs started barking.
That's perfect. I woke somebody.
Yeah, that was 20 grains of powder and 4 little wadded up paper balls.
In one little cannon.